Wey. My people. Yul Edochie cry for him papa. Say wetin wey Storm get her predicament or in predicament. They say Yul Edochie tell him papa say the thing don worsen o. Say the thing don worst. My people, make una come hear matter o. Yul Edochie open mouth tell him papa say he no know wetin wey go do again. This is even more than wetin wey himself bargain for. Na him papa Pete Edochie open mouth tell am say wetin wey you mean by that? Say make Yul Edochie be a man and be strong. Yul tell am say this is more than being a man and be strong. Say the thing wey he born with, wey dem say he born with woman or man something, Yul say no be only that. Say there is more to this. Say as a matter of fact, he dey ask so many questions and he has not gotten any answer. And the pikin dey pass through a lot. Yul Edochie come dey cry for him papa say if it is anything wey him do unwillingly, let him papa refresh his memory. Say he no know wetin be all this. He want only make the pikin then comot at that thing. If making stay woman or if making stay man. Because due to the fact say the two organs dem dey, the thing dey affect dey disturb am. Na so Yul talk. Papa Pete Edochie come tell you say make him give am time. He go make inquiries. Information has it that Ebubedike did not do any inquiry because he come dey fear na who when go open mouth talk the talk. So wetin wey we come here dey say Papa Pete come call him son tell am say make him send the pikin, as in make him bring the pikin down. Say there is a way dem go help am out. Yul come dey thank him papa. Yul come dey thank him papa. Hey. So when Papa Pete Edochie then go where Papa Pete then told him that they should go, they will help them out because the thing, as Papa Pete himself using I see him, he say, one, na true you talk oh, this thing, I know they see him well. This thing as it be like this, I don't know wetin wey him be. He come disturb our entire family. This will not be normal making there for your pikin body. So the first place where they carry this pikin, they said they no fit do anything. Say then they sorry. Their own never reach to that extent. They no want do the one way they no go fit finish. Now him Papa come remember say his good friend Oni of Ife can help suggest him a very strong thing to do. No be so Yul papa carry this pikin go Oni of Ife place. According to the information we hear now, this happened recently. They said, my people, when Papa Pete Edochie reached Oni of Ife place, listen to the shockiest one and the most craziest one. They say Oni of Ife pursue both Papa Pete Edochie and Yul. Una listen, my people. Oni of Ife no dey play again o. Then say pursue Ebubedike, he pursue Yul Edochie. Make una listen. Then say when that happened, Papa Pete Edochie can't feel bad. He can't feel bad. So information has it that Ebubedike, when they tell them make them go say there is no way, Papa Pete can't cry. Come out from the car. Go for the other side where this pikin been there. Storm. He can't carry and hold am for hand and say, he just won't see Oni because of the pikin wey hold for hand. Say if he know they too important, he no go take this long journey, come reach meet Oni. Say please, make them no shut the door for their face. The only thing when they beg say, make Oni just give am some few minutes of his golden time. They no go take long. But how they go come from the way where they come from, and they could not be able to fulfill or accomplish their journey. Say please, as they don't reach here, please. And so they say, Papa Pete Edochie bring down, humble himself, they beg. My people, information has it that when Papa Pete Edochie can't do that, it be like a person can't tell the security people and say, make them wait. Then go come talk to Oni. Say, see you, he carry pikin come We don't know the meaning, the intention, and the motive. Oni of Ife come ask them say, may they let them in. Because of that pikin way, as in the form, come far. Oni of Ife say, okay, may they let them in. Now so Papa Edochie and Yul, then come enter in. Come go sit down. They wait for Oni of Ife. My people, they say, no be small. Oh. They waited and waited and waited. Oni of Ife. Before Oni of Ife made it to where they dey, it can't take time. At the end of the day, when Oni come present himself, Papet, e be like say make he cry. My people, they say, e be like say make Ebubedike cry. The man felt as if the whole world fall on his head. He look at Oni of Ife. They beg, say, please, I beg. I know say things, it don't change. I don't beg you so many times for so many things. But trust me, this one, no be only me it dey affect. It dey affect my son as well. Please, please. And so then say, your papa, he dey beg Oni of Ife. Now Oni of Ife come tell am say, he wan know wetin be the real thing. Why from the place where then they come, he carry pikin come, and the pikin still small. Who be the pikin? So he come dey ask so many things. My people, una know say Papa Pete Edochie, Ebubedike, the things wey they do, he don't make so many of his friends that on a very good day, they were in alliance with him. They don't finally they wash their hands. They don't finally they realize say, Mba, Papa Pete Edochie no be am. So many of his friends that before they were allied with him, they don't use style drop am. And one of those friends na Oni of Ife, my people. Oni of Ife, he became tired at some point about all this saga. He now decided to tell Papa Pete Edochie say, to each his problem. Everybody get his own wahala. Making face his own wahala. And then, remember Oni of Ife has been advising Ebubedike time without number say, if there is anything you don't have to permit, is make another woman from outside disrespect the woman wey una pay bride price on her head. That is not done. Oni of Ife even gave Papa Edochie many instances then, told him, say, see, inside my house, I get so many women because my culture permits it, and I am an Oni, and not only that, I marry all of them. I not carry anyone for backyard. I know what I'm doing. If your son has to do something like this, it's supposed to be inside the illegality, let it look legal. What I mean is, he's supposed to tell him first wife, he's supposed to make sure say him wife get to know the person where him take as him wife, where don't grow together, build so many things. Oni of Ife gave Papa Edochie, according to what we hear that time, so many things. As example, even ways to, to focus and arrange this issue. But Ebubedike, that time, he been dey tell Oni of Ife say, it is too late. Say they are expecting Queen May to accept the reality of things, and at the same time they will respect Queen May, that no woman will be in the mansion, but let Queen May accept Juju, but Juju will not be in the mansion. That was what Papa Edochie was telling Oni of Ife, because him in the beg Oni of Ife that time say, make Oni of Ife help am talk to Queen May, because he knows say one way or the other Oni of Ife can get access to Queen May in one event or the other, because they move with the elites, they can just see somewhere and discuss, or even still at that make it in a way that in a meeting and they see. But Oni say, I'm not gonna put my mouth too much for this, because there are so much shades of wrong here. You and your son una not do things well, and even while you are doing this, why didn't you consult me? Oni of Ife asked Papa Pete Edochie that time. Say, if people want to pick many wives as possible for your last son, why didn't you consult me, knowing that you have somebody like me that you know? You should have asked me. Even though I'm a Yoruba, you're an Igbo, we are all Nigerians. We are all Africans. Our cultures may be different, but it is the same, African culture. There is a way we would have worked on it if Yul Edochie for fit get other woman or not. But una just impose the other woman on Queen May, and it is not done. You cannot impose the other woman like that. Not every culture, not every family, not every people accepts it. And it has been seen that May Edochie family and even May Edochie, that one will be the last thing she will accept. So why you not talk to me? You know, they see where all these things they come from, Abi. That is why Ooni of Ife did what? When they told him that Papa today here with y'all, he said, Mba, make them they go. He no one see them. That was when they now chase them away. The reason is because he said make them come back. Now when they tell us, say, Your Majesty, he carry pikin come o. Yes, he carry pikin come o. He not come alone o. He was surprised. Pikin ke. He said make them bring them in. Now y'all back on the beg on your face, say, please, 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 in the sorry. He be like saying don't do everything bad. He be like saying, oh, no get amendments anymore. In the very, very much sorry. Now, so we hear the matter. So while he said, as he said all those things, now in Ooni of Ife now, he come tell Obedike say, okay, tell me the reason why you from nowhere bring this pikin and who is this pikin? As we hear the matter, Papet come tell and say, na my son, Yul Edochie o. He still there for his own wahala. Now I get the pikin. You remember the time I tell you, say, Yul, my son, picked another woman. And he say, why not? He say, yes. The woman no dey stop to dey born. Every year she dey born. And this one wey born now, we bring am because we get problem with am. So Ooni of Ife dey surprised. He say, which problem you get with the pikin? Pikin still small, you say you get problem. Wetin wey you do? He say, no. Pikin no do am anything. But pikin come with something strange for him body. Now so we hear say, Papet Edochie tell Ooni of Ife. Ooni say, which thing is strange? I dey see 2 hands, I dey see 2 legs, I dey see 1 head. I dey see fingers complete. He say, no be there. Ooni come shock. He say, no be there ke. We again. Una dey get? My people, una leave o. Una leave. So Ooni say, we again. Papet no come talk. You no talk. Ooni say, oh, una come all the way from far to tell me something. I ask, nobody fit talk. I look pikin, men looking at pikin dey complete. Una the way una wan use take, make I join inside the matter again. Papet say no. Papet say no. No be the way. I come for you to help us because I know say many gods where you fit know. Your gods, your place, all these people in Oduduwa or what, anyone where you fit know, where you fit help, make it help us. Only say, where you dey from come dey talk all those things? I no get am. Na him Papet come say, if dem fit excuse them. Na so we hear. Papet come show Ooni of Ife the pikin comot am because Ooni of Ife was surprised when Papet dey comot the pikin dey cry, and he come see say the pikin get woman, the pikin get man. Ooni come dey talk something for him language Yoruba. Na so we hear. He come dey talk something for him language Yoruba. He come dey talk something for him language Yoruba. Papet Edochie come cover the pikin. Ooni no talk again. Ooni no talk again. Ooni of Ife no talk again. He tell. The next talk where I hear, where they say Ooni of Ife talk, he say, this is coming from something where una do. Na so they say Ooni of Ife tell Papet Edochie. Because Papet Edochie tell Ooni of Ife as we hear and say, please carry me to your gods, your ancestors. You are a strong man, powerful. The spirit of the land and they with you. Your great then they with you. Please carry me, present this pikin to them. If they fit help us to the local way, make this thing they rectified. This thing they really disturb. Make it they rectified. I know say this thing, if it be something where we don't know, now Ooni of Ife tell and say, yes, this is exactly something we wanna do. I don't know say una do am. And trust me, this thing we wanna do, una think say go affect other people. It can't fall for una back again. That's what they say, Ooni of Ife tell Papet Edochie. Say you don't check everything what you do for the past 3 to 5 years. Papa say, him be old man now. Him be old man. In memory, you know, they even keep him one side. Papa say, oh, more reasons for you. Now so Ooni of Ife tell and more reasons for you to be careful on things you support in your family, on things you side in your family. When you don't age, you must be careful. And when you see something wey no good, open your mouth, rebuke, reject, and put your family straight. Now so Ooni of Ife tell am, we see, that's what we hear. So in a nutshell, wetin wey we dey hear dem say, Ooni of Ife tell, he not tell am directly say, na wetin wey dem look with me as we hear. But he that has ears should hear. Oni of Ife tell am things where he no need making call Kweme name. It is show that now how the way where they treat an innocent woman follow for all those things where their gods, their ancestors, they not come like where Papete Doche, Yole Doche, and the rest they do. When I remember say Kweme pikin kpai, don't forget this aspect because people could say, is it that much? When I remember say Kweme pikin kpai, and Kweme did what? He put everything for God in hand. She puts everything for God in hand. So everybody go collect his own cross for him back. And this one, trust me, not be normal cross, as in the talk am. So as all these things happened, and Oni of Ife can't tell Papet say, even me, for the time where I don't hear, this case, don't tell where we hear some case like this. And so Oni of Ife tell Papet, he don't tell where we see case like this for this our land. The time when we see case like this, we had to go and ask our ancestors. We have to go and do many things, cleansing. They were not happy. Because we our side, we don't know so we do something we not being good. And so Oni of Ife tell them. According to the information, so Papet now asks Oni of Ife one question. You say you see this thing for your land, it happen. Person come with woman and man body. He say yes. Papet say, how the person come end? He come cure after one come cleanse the land. Oni say no, the person buy. Say the person no stay. Say after we then do everything, the gods carry the person. That means the person come buy, the pikin come buy, as in them carry and to cleanse everything. Hey, my people, thunder, storm, anywhere where it be, who knows what if it happen? Who knows? Now we did talk. Who knows? Who knows? So Oni of Ife, when he see him, he can't they speak something for Yoruba. And people can't talk say like if in they commot the pikin, say no be our pikin, in they talk for Yoruba, something say, they tell the gods then say, no be our pikin, no be our pikin. I think say, he no belong to this community, although in there for a palace, he no belong for this community. He they reject, yes, as a disclaimer, yes, something like that within gods. We wanna see Oni of Ife, then carry thunder, go. He talk this, no be small something where that pikin carry. And they don't tell Papete Doche before say, this thing is spiritual. So that is the reason why Papete insisted, say, making carry the pikin go for Oni of Ife. Because you know, see, Oni of Ife, a strong man spiritually, he is always with his ancestors. He is appeasing the gods of the land, always doing what he's supposed to do as an Oni. So Oni can't tell him waiting where he don't experience it. And he tell him waiting be the consequences where you know say it would happen when nine then say them bring them that kind of pikin. That type of pikin. No kwana biko. Egba mi oh, my people, egba mi. Wahala day no be small. Kasala burst. Tori scatter. Then say Papete Doche body scatter. Unto say this one of my final hopes. Now I am really hopeless inside this matter. And you all tell and say the thing they disturb, the thing they more, the pikin, the thing where it born like. My people, no be small something. They say the person will start the fight. It no mean say na him go win the fight. Now you start and no be say na you go win am. When y'all start it giri, for in mind, he go use gara. Stand. Be strong man, hard man, coconut head man, as he dey call himself all those names. Where he dey now? Wetin dey happen for his side? Make he come tell people when he start to dey lie, say na him get mansion, na him do this, na him do that. Owner of mansion dey her own side, relax, calmly, coolly. Na her God dey do her things for her. As Yul Edochie said, he no want peace for Kweme side. God say na lie. Peace she shall have. And a lot, abundantly. nyafu nyafu. E go pass. And na you wey you no go see peace. You go find peace, you go call peace, you no go see am. And na don dey happen. Imagine Ebubedike running kitikiti, running katakata. Imagine Oni say this one na una supposed to use una hand do wetin wey una cause. This is too much. And Oni gave Papete Edochie a lot of advice that time. Oh no, good God. Oni made sure say Papet go through the right route. Papet say mba. Say he himself him be traditional man. Say na woman wey Kweme be, he no go bend. Instead of him to bend, make Kweme bend. Kweme say ngwan, I no wan bend, I no wan challenge you. I talk wetin I talk because na the thing wey me myself I decide. May God be the judge. And definitely, God immediately he became the judge. My people, make una see now. Make una see pikin wey dem carry go on a place. Oh my good God. I want to draw my curtain. I want to rest my case here. Papete Edochie and Yul Edochie, then they go through a lot. Only don't tell them say there is nothing he can do. Make them go check wetin wey dem do bad for person wey dem do bad. Na something wey dem do. Like I said, only no call Kweme name say na him wey una do something. But if you know, you go know. If you get sense, you go get sense. You go know say yes. Now the thing wey only if a mean. Yes, because he gave him so many instances. And in all, you go know say na the things wey Ebubedike do. My people, this life all day, na to dey take and suffer. Don't rush more than your pace. And don't try to impose things on people. And the worst thing what you go do, try to impose things on people. My people, please, drop your comments down. Now God, they run am for Kweme. And also pray for our queen, I beg of you. Support her in her ministry. Anything will be, buy for her. Anyhow you fit buy am. Dash it out. Christmas, they come, dash out. Please, my people. Thank you so much. Now, Jesse Queen, I'll be back in a jiffy. Thank you, my people.